Paul Sweeney from Pretium Solutions, Accountants and Business Advisors. What's the single most important thing for your business? The single most important thing for your business is your cash flow. Having good cash flow is critical. If your cash flow is a problem, then you need to fix that, and you need to fix it fast. Your cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. If you don't have good cash flow, your business won't survive. What is cash flow? Cash flow means you're receiving more money from your sales and your customers than you're paying out to your suppliers and for your purchases. If you're paying out more than you're receiving in, you've got a problem. Unfortunately, most businesses only pay attention to cash flow when it is a problem, and often that's too late. So get started today, have a look at your cash flow, do a thorough check of it, do a check on your business, improve your cash flow, make more profit, and have a great day.